Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comment. So it's nice and sunny and warm here in Chicago today. A pretty good storm system is going to be moving across the Midwest over the next 2 or 3 days. For crops, this is really good weather. For people, it may not be quite as good, especially going into the long holiday weekend. As far as news overnight, strange day yesterday in the beans. We traded back below the 20-day moving average. Open interest jumped about 14,000 contracts, and now we're back above the 20-day moving average overnight. Some people think that a report coming out from various sources saying El Nino's done, and that we're going to go into La Nina brought the funds in to be buying corn beans on that speculation. As far as the July corn is concerned, it's above all the moving averages. We're near the 2016 highs. The weather's good, but we're noticing the basis levels, both domestic and export, are improving, and demand might be improving also. So you have to try to balance, start with a good crop versus maybe demand might be getting a little bit better. Ag option volatility this week dropped, led by wheat. Wheat is the weak sister in all this markets and continues to find very little bullish news with good global crops and big supply coming in from last year. It was interesting that one bank said that the higher prices in crude suggests that the worst is over for commodities that could bring money in. It's interesting that China came out with a report saying that they want to have more impact in determining how commodity prices are cost or priced, and they say that they have conquered their commodity trading frenzy. Also, it was interesting that May China Manufacturing Index, Business Confidence Indicator, and Small Business Index all retreated. So their economy is not doing as good, but it seems like they've at least backed off a little bit on all of this strict issues and policies on their commodity trading. U.S. farmers increased their corn sales yesterday, but that's being offset by the better demand. Again, key is for the prices from now on is the summer weather, and we'll have to watch if El Nino is done and La Nina comes in. Does that make us for a warm and dry summer? We are seeing that most farmers are talking about increasing their 2016 soybean acres from the March intentions, but again, that's offset by talk of bigger demand because of lower South American supplies this year. Funds yesterday sold beans, oil, and corn. They bought meal and wheat. Continued to be long almost a record amount of beans, long a small amount of corn, and short wheat going into this summer's weather patterns. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.